What would happen if every human on Earth suddenly disappeared? Right now, no warning, no explanation. Just 8 billion people gone in an instant. Cities would fall silent. Planes would fly without pilots. Cars would stop in the middle of roads. The world we built would suddenly be left completely alone. But the real question is, what would happen to Earth without us? In the first few hours, nothing dramatic would seem to happen. Buildings would still stand. Lights might still glow. The world would look almost normal, just eerily quiet. But within a day, things would begin to change. Power plants need human operators. Without them, electricity systems would start shutting down. One by one, cities around the world would lose power. At night, the planet would become darker than it has been in centuries. Within a few days, pets trapped inside homes would struggle to survive. Farm animals would wander free as fences break, and farms are abandoned. Some animals would die, but others would adapt and return to the wild. Nature would slowly begin its comeback. After a few months, plants would begin growing through cracks in roads and sidewalks. Without maintenance, buildings would start deteriorating. Underground subway tunnels would flood with water. Bridges would weaken, and streets would slowly crumble. The cities we built over centuries would begin falling apart without human care. After several years, wildlife would start reclaiming urban areas. Deer, wolves, and wild animals could roam freely through empty neighborhoods. Birds would nest in skyscrapers. Forests would slowly spread into abandoned towns. Nature would take back what once belonged to it. A century after humans disappear, many cities would become almost unrecognizable. Skyscrapers would collapse. Roads would be covered by trees. Rivers would carve new paths through former cities. Places like New York, Tokyo, and London would begin looking more like forests than modern cities. Without humans, pollution would decrease dramatically. The air and oceans would slowly become cleaner. Many endangered animals might recover and thrive again. But traces of humanity would remain. Plastic waste, nuclear materials, and certain structures could last for thousands of years. Even without us, our impact would still echo through time. But one thing is certain, Earth would survive. Nature would slowly erase our cities, our roads, and our monuments. And one day, the planet might look as if humans were never here at all. For more mind-blowing documentaries like this, make sure to subscribe for more.